To resubmit an event in order to remove a duplicate, go to the RC Event Reports section, click on One Events, click on the past event you wish to resubmit, click on Update Event to update the date and time, go to Event Match Data, click on the Create Event Report, click on Find Name in Rating Central, click on the player you wish to replace. If you click on it without an option key, it'll list all players of that surname in the country if the country is selected. If you option click or alt click the player, only players of the exact same name within the country will be chosen. Double click on the player you wish to use to replace the player you have already. That will save that player into the report. Go to the event report, click Save, and then click Web Post Event Report.